after a couple of years, I got my looks back with these hairs. So like, and I did my transplantation. It's a hair transplantation, which is done by Wigy Hair Solutions by Mr. Sandeep. So I would suggest you guys, you should go for this Wigy Hair Solutions for the wig hairs, but rather than getting for the transplantation, I should suggest you come to us, to come to the Sandeep Bhai and get all these things done. So I'm very happy to get my looks back. Thank you, Sandeep Bhai. Thank you, Wigy Hair Solutions.
Thank you so much, sir.